All right, go.
Drilling holes or whatever for the tub to fit on these frames. They're already pre-fit for you. You put them through the test, so.
Hey guys, this is John at JeepsterMan. Today we're going to talk about the presses you can see in the background. We're here at the MD Juan factory. You can see the 1,200 ton press over my shoulder here, and then the 200 ton press. Both of these presses are kind of what has helped make MD Juan. Obviously they can press some very large items. You can see over here on this side, you'll see some tools and such for the combat wheels. So they actually press out the combat wheels on these presses. Some pretty cool stuff we got to see here today. We're going to talk about something pretty cool here, the presses that they have. These presses are something that has made MD Juan into who they are today. Earlier today we were watching the 1,200 ton press do the floors, which is a pretty exciting process that they did. This is their smaller 200 ton press, but we want to show you something else here as well. Here is the this is the combat wheel. So the combat wheel, this is part of the tooling that you see for the combat wheel. You can also see that's part of the tooling and such for the combat wheel. So we just wanted to show you guys some of the capabilities that MD Juan and JeepsterMan that they have and show these presses off. You can find us on YouTube. If you got any questions, our website's thejeepsterman.com. You can email us sales@thejeepsterman.com or call 314-798-6462. Thanks.
Good job, John.
Fire right up.
Good job.
No, he's tapping.
Yeah.